It's a picture I made using epoxy resin. It's not bad, but like the instructions say, you got to be careful with this stuff. You can't let it get on your skin, and you also have to be in an open area because it's got a little odor to it. Came out pretty nice. I just got it outside that dry. See the shine on it. Sucker look like glass. And according to the instructions, to properly cure it, you need 72 hours. I'm outside, so I'm just speeding up the process. But stay tuned. Check out my next video when it's cured. And also, I'll show you the steps I use to make this. This is a canvas. This is DTF print. Put it on the canvas. Put the epoxy resin on it. You see the shine. Oh, shit. It's getting good. Made a nice photo. So this is the trial and error one. I'll get back to y'all in the next video. Show you how it works.